Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, in my previous vlog I showed you our hotel, and now you are in Baku and you don't visit the heart of Baku, the famous Nizami street. How can it possible? So we are here at Nizami street. So before we move ahead, let's find out the story behind the name Nizami Street. This street is called Nizami Street because it's named after Nizami Ganjavi, a really famous Azerbaijani poet. He lived hundreds of years ago and wrote some of the most famous poems in the country. Basically, the city named this street to honor him. Locals also sometimes call it Torgovaya Street, which means merchant street, because it used to be a main shopping area a long time ago. It's a pedestrian street now, about 3.5 kilometers long, so you can just walk and explore without worrying about cars. Nizami Street is one of the most famous and lively streets in Baku. You will find all kinds of shops here, from luxury brands to small local stores. Everything is available. Just look around, these buildings are so classy. The architecture is a mixture of European and local styles, which makes this street feel really amazing. Along with shopping, this place is also full of cafes and restaurants, offering many food options, including Pakistani and Indian restaurants. Here you can sit anywhere, relax, grab a coffee and dessert. Sometimes there are street performers too, which makes it even more fun. So you never know what you will stumble upon. That's why Nizami Street is always busy and loved by both tourists and locals. I can't wait to see this street at night. I've heard the lights make the whole street look magical. If you are visiting Baku, I highly recommend you staying at a hotel near Nizami Street because it's super convenient. Whatever you are looking for, you can find it here. We are also staying here, and I've already mentioned the hotel details in my previous vlog, so you can check it. Alright guys, I am gonna keep exploring and I will show you more in a bit. And I'm really enjoying walking here. So guys, that's it for our walk on Nizami Street right now. Seriously, this place is amazing. The vibe, the building, the cafe, everything, and I really enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to FK Travels and Beyond for more adventures. See you in the next vlog and stay tuned for the night view of Nizami Street. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.